weekend staying home from the lake for us in a while. We had been going pretty much every weekend for the past month or so, just because the weather's been so nice and it's been totally worth it. But you know, we just needed a weekend to be at home and get some stuff done. There's a few things on our list that, you know, I feel like we just need a couple of days just to get some things done. And the next weekend we'll probably be back. We're trying to take advantage of as many weekends as we can at the lake before it gets cold. It's gonna be fall, and don't get me wrong, I love fall because I love everything that comes with fall. It's obviously the weather that's a little scary for me. All right, let's go get some stuff done. Woohoo! Oh, that was all loud. It's like 7 in the morning and I'm like woohooing in our backyard. Sorry, neighbors. Sorry. Where's Diggity? Is he outside? He came back to bed. He's back in his bed. Well, that's not really his bed. That's his bed. But, of course, you spend money on beds. And he just wants that blanket. Cora, your dad's sleeping. Let's go downstairs. Come on. Come here. Let's go. Let's go, girly. Get down. Good night. You come hang out with me? You coming to hang out with me? Your level of excitement, Mr. Diggles. It just pours out of you. Oh, I hear footsteps. Oh, there she is. Come, let's go downstairs so we can let your dad sleep, okay? Let's go. Let's go downstairs. So it's kind of cloudy this morning, and when we woke up it was definitely drizzling, but I didn't expect it to be this gray and rainy all day. Should have checked the weather. But yeah, it's kind of been like this all day, kind of gray out, and started storming a little while ago. Not ideal, but I mean we've kind of been at home and trying to get stuff done, so it's actually been kind of perfect. So yeah, so Justin has been literally in his trading station all day working. I've been kind of doing things around the house and on my computer, and then this has been Dixie pretty much all day. Especially this afternoon, he's just been curled up here under the desk while I work. Cora likes to hang out with Justin downstairs in the basement, but Daisy'd like this is his spot, so here he is. You're so handsome. You're my Mr. Daggles. Bye, go outside. Door's open. Why are you barking? Why are you barking? Sunny, cloudy. Sunny, cloudy. Oh my goodness. So this day can't decide whether it wants to be sunny or rainy. We literally just had a little sun shower and you know, we're getting the sun peeking out every once in a while and then some gray clouds. It's been kind of a weird day, but I did check the weather and this afternoon it's supposed to be warm, like in the mid to high 80s. Here comes the sun, doo 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 doo. Finally, some sunlight. I'm really excited. So perfect right now. Gordy, I've got a surprise for you. You don't know what it is, but you're gonna like it. Alright, so I got this thing on Amazon, and it's supposed to be a doggy pool, which is like a kiddie pool, but it's made for dogs because they usually have sharper nails and they can, you know, just pierce through regular plastic like kiddie pools, but this one's really good and it's like huge. I mean, I kind of just haven't opened it to the full potential, but it's pretty large. So I am going to take advantage of the fact that it stopped raining finally and it's really nice out, and it's actually supposed to be, I mean, I haven't really checked, but I checked earlier this morning and it was like supposed to be in the 80s. So it's definitely hot, and the kiddos can get a chance to get on the lake this weekend, so they're gonna love this. the surprise. Well, it's not a surprise. She's been seeing me fill it up. But she had no idea what it's for. So Mr. Diggles walked by while I was filling up the pool. And let's just say he's not too fond of the water. So I don't know how much he'll partake in this activity this afternoon. In fact, I feel like he's just gonna hide here until the threat is gone. So we'll see. But I'll try to get him outside at least. But he's definitely hiding because he knows it's water, and he's probably thinking it's a bath. I don't know. It's quite possible. Sorry, bud.
Put her in the water?
Go for it. Cora! She probably thinks it's a bath. Girlie! Oh my goodness!
Mr. Diggy's coming, I can hear him. Mr. Diggy! Good girl, Cora, good girl.
It's fun. Mr. Diggles. Look at his paw.
Drink it. Can I put him in there too?
Put him in. He's gonna freak out.
He's gonna hate it. He don't
try
like
to get
it so
out.
much. He don't like it so much.
Will you look at that?
He's gonna crawl out.
Oh no, bud.
That hurt your tummy, bud.
I knew that's exactly what was gonna happen. I knew Cora would be chilling and loving it, and Diggsy would be freaking out.
I don't want to leave them out here though unless somebody's watching.
No, I'm gonna watch them for sure. But
Is your mom gonna watch it, Cora?
I can come and work out here.
Cora.
You can come and read out here. It's perfect. It's like warm, but it's not that bad. Well, I think Justin's just scared of wasps. That's the reality of it. So, okay, this isn't as exciting as I thought it would be, but she seems to be enjoying it, so that makes me happy. Oh no! You got water in your nose? Did you get water in your nose? Oh, tasty. She liked that. Bud gets one too, even though...
No, he didn't do anything good. Other than be a nice guy.
Yay! Alright, well... Again, this isn't as exciting as I thought it was gonna be. But Justin's like... Well, look. I tried, you know.
He almost cut himself in half.
No, he did not. He's fine. He's a nice guy. She loves it. Oh no, don't get that all wet. Oh, snap.
Soaking wet.
Oh well. Maybe she'll get excited about doing more water later. What are you doing, girlie? Well, she thinks this is sand. This is what she does in the sand, I guess. Well, not only that, but you're soaking wet now too. Literally. The afternoon activities. Just licking themselves because they're soaking wet. Kiddos used to pull for all of 5 minutes. It took me like 30 minutes to fill it up, and they used it for 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh well. You know what? It's all good. sitting in our outside coffee table with my Eden. And I'm pretty sure like all of our neighbors can see what I'm doing, but I do not care. So she cried until I let her in, and now she's just not knowing what to do with herself. Cody. Cody, do you like the pool? Was it a good idea? Cool. We should bring a ball. That's what we need. I'm gonna get a ball. Get it. Get it. Look at her. Good girl. She's bobbing for apples. Cora. Let me help you, Cora. It makes me so sad. Get it. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Lets it go and she catches it again.
She lets it go and keeps doing it. She
Growled at Daisy.
she lets go of it, grabs it, and then lets go of it and starts again.
Fun.
Alright, Cora. Oh, goodness sakes. Clay, do you want to come out? No? Oh my god, it's gonna pour. Like, in no time. Time to get out. Time to get out, girlie. Oh, you're so sweet. My Cody. Until next time, Cora. What's happening? Oh my god. It's hail. Mr. Diggy, come with your mama. Come with your mama, bud. Come here, bud.
I haven't been in a hailstorm in years.
I don't think I've ever been in one, period. Bud, come here, bud. Oh no, Mr. Dillis, come here. Let's go, let's go. Good gracious. Goodness gracious, Mr. Dillis had never been in a hailstorm. Neither had his mama. I honestly hadn't ever been in a hailstorm. It sounds so bad. It sounds like... Holy smokes! There is going to be damage. Come here, bud. Come here. sounds worse in here. Huh? Nothing's gonna break. Good morning. We're calm after the storm. There was really bad rain and hail last night, and apparently a lot of wind. So much wind that all of our stuff moved around in our deck. And then this happened. I'm shook. It went straight through. Knocked it out. Please somebody tell me this is not gonna cost that much, because I can't. The annoying thing is, like, now we have this huge hole up here, and what am I supposed to do with the dogs who love being up here? No, I just noticed this too. Dang it. Oh, and it's like screwed up in other places too. Look at that. And there. That one's not that bad, but this one too. Gosh. Plants got hit hard too, which I knew was gonna happen. Last time we had a bad storm, it was windy. This also kind of happened. Actually, I think the damage that time was worse, because like a plant actually got ripped out. Actually, this one, and look, it's like all droopy too. Poor guy. DIYing the fix. Justin took the broken piece to Home Depot, found a very similar one, and had it cut to fit perfectly, and we just installed it like the pros that we are. We did a pretty good job. I'm very proud of ourselves. Like, this really, there's always a plane every time I'm recording, every single time. So it's we did a pretty good job, except now we have to figure out how to get those holes in.
Might have to remove it.
That would be terrible. Somehow, without undoing anything we had done previously, we managed to stick all these in, and we officially fixed our deck. DIY 100%. I'm very proud of us.
This is not how the instructions say.
We should put it together, but we managed to get everything, like all the holes drilled and everything just kind of in place. So
It looks fine to me. Honestly, I can't even tell the difference.
no, I can't. It looks perfect.
So
It's like it never happened.
it's like it never
And it only cost us what, $40
$40
to get the
and a
piece.
few trips to Home Depot.
Man, we should be in construction. Actually, never mind. Justin, just his expression. Whatever. I'm just proud of what we did. So I think the plan is we're moving this furniture down to the bottom level.
We can do it. We just gotta take this stuff off.
Yeah, let's go take it down and just not even worry about it anymore.